Your C7 Corvette has some of the latest automotive tech built right in. One of those technical marvels is your computer-controlled throttle. From the factory, they can have delay and a slower reaction time than cable-driven throttle bodies, but JMS has a solution to the problem. PedalMAX is the industry's first solution to the problems associated with drive-by-wire throttle systems. With simple plug-and-play usability, anyone can install PedalMAX in no time at all. The installation takes just 5 minutes. Start by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Plug the black box from the kit into the supplied harness. Locate your car's accelerator pedal assembly and the associated pedal sensor under the dash. Unplug the factory harness from the pedal and plug it into the PedalMAX harness. Then, finish under the dash by plugging the PedalMAX harness into the pedal assembly. Reconnect your battery, and that's it. Along with better throttle response, PedalMAX can also make your car more exciting to drive with a faster throttle engagement. And because of the easy install, you and your Corvette will be back on the road in no time. And now, let's talk to the owner and see how much of a difference he felt with PedalMAX.
The biggest difference I felt after the installation of PedalMAX was that it revs a whole lot quicker and I can reach my peak power point way faster. Another thing I really liked about the PedalMAX was it was easy to install. I didn't have to cut up my car. You don't see any cables out there, just the regular knob. And last but not least, I really like the adjustability on it. When I'm cruising around town, I can turn it down, but when it's game time, I can turn it up and it's go man go.